Hi friend, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to go over some European vacation outfit ideas with you. I was lucky enough to go to Greece back in November with my best friend, my sister, and her best friend. We had the most incredible week-long trip in Santorini, Greece. I'm going to talk about all the outfits that I brought with me to give you some outfit inspiration if you are heading to Europe and especially Greece this summer. Let's talk about a couple of dresses that I brought with me because when I'm on vacation, there's nothing I love more than just slipping into an easy dress and pairing it with some sneakers. So I brought a couple of Amazon dresses. I got this puff sleeve dress that's a Free People look-alike from Amazon to bring with me. This is the dress that I wore the first day we were exploring Greece. Another dress that I brought with me is this puff sleeve floral number that I paired with these incredible sneakers from Dr. Scholl's. So an influencer who is very big on Amazon, Grace from What Grace Bought, she said that she wore these sneakers when she was in Italy. So I said, if Grace wore these, I think they're going to be great because she puts her name behind a lot of amazing products that I've purchased myself. So because she recommended these Dr. Scholl's sneakers, I decided to buy them from Amazon. They're under $100. And I can attest that they definitely held up throughout our whole week. These are the sneakers that I brought with me on our trip and the only pair of sneakers that I ended up wearing. I brought these sneakers from Dr. Scholl's and I also picked up a pair of birdies. These are like a ballet flat style shoe just to have a little bit of variety with what I was wearing. I also might recommend sizing down a half size. I think with my next pair of birdie flats, that is what I'm going to do. I also went with classic white. I felt like these were the most neutral, versatile to go with all the printed pieces that I packed. For traveling over to Europe on an international flight, you have to be comfortable. So I suggest checking out the Avia line at Walmart. These are some of my favorite pieces to travel in. You can get a cute matching set so you'll feel like put together while you're chilling in the airport and then for your long haul flight. These are comfortable pieces that are affordable and they're very similar to the Spanx Air Essentials, but these are going to be more budget friendly. I have a couple different colors. I actually wore a cream version back in November when they released it, and it was really great. I wore this going to Europe and I also wore this set coming back to America. I also recommend checking out the Bounce fleece line at Old Navy. Here's a look that I recently put together as a travel outfit idea with this blue color and the Bounce fleece at Old Navy. So these are also great budget-friendly options for you to lounge in when you're traveling. For doing some city exploring, I can't recommend Quince enough. I really love their beautiful dresses. I brought this smocked one that looks like Hill House over to Greece with me. It was incredible, super easy to put on. I think I actually ended up wearing this dress a couple different times because it worked great during the day and it also was nice to transition into the night. This is a beautiful number that runs true to size on me, so I would definitely order your usual size. And if you haven't heard of Quince yet, they are an amazing brand. I shared a couple of winter, spring hauls featuring Quince clothes here on my channel. Quince also does great jewelry. The pieces that I have on right now would be perfect to pack on your European vacation. If you also want to treat your mom, your grandma, your mother-in-law to something on Mother's Day, the Quince jewelry line is just too good. These are freshwater pearls. And you can also see on the necklace, I have a freshwater pearl with this toggle necklace. You're going to get such great quality with these pieces, and these are going to be great staples to have if you're also traveling to Europe. Highly recommend grabbing some of these for yourself. I'm going to share with you a couple of pieces that Quince kindly gifted to me, and I plan on giving to my mom for Mother's Day. We're also going to do some mother-daughter trips in the future, so these are going to be perfect for her to pack with her. And I'm also gifting her this adorable zip travel case from Quince as well. It's nice and neutral, so this is going to be great for her to pack all of her beautiful jewelry that I gift her from Quince. If you're interested in checking out any of these Quince pieces, I'll have them listed down below, and thank you to Quince for working with me on this portion of the video. If you're planning on having a boat day while you're over in Europe, I definitely want to mention a couple of pieces that I picked up from Target before we headed to Greece in November. I got a couple of one-piece swimsuits from Target that are really great, especially, you know, if you want to wear something that's going to be more full coverage. I'll list some of my favorites down below for you to check out. These gauzy, lightweight pieces were perfect for our boat day when we were in Santorini. I wore the button down and then I had the pants with my swimsuit. So good. I love how easy these are. They're very lightweight and perfect if you're going to be out on the water. I also wanted to put together some outfit ideas to share with you that I would bring for a European vacation. A couple more Quince pieces, of course. I love this printed top. It's got a square neck and tons of smocked stretch in the back with a zipper closure. So this is a piece that I got from Quince last year. That is such a beautiful find. I love how it has the blue and the white. So if you are going to Greece, definitely consider picking up this top. It has linen to it. And I also am pairing it with these amazing trousers that I've shared time and time again. These are Quince European linen trouser pants in a size 10 that also fit true to size. Incredible. They've got a double lining to them, so they're not too see-through. Very easy trousers to style for daytime. Like with this outfit, I feel like this would be great for exploring while you're over in Europe. Accessorizing with my crossbody bag from Amazon and some Quince jewelry. Here's a gingham dress that's from Amazon. This is a favorite of mine that I typically reach for as the summer months come back around. This is a beautiful designer-inspired number. It's also giving me Hill House vibes. And if you have a very preppy aesthetic, definitely pick up this dress from Amazon. It's under $50. Here I am wearing it in a size medium, accessorizing it once again with this woven crossbody bag. It just goes with so much. I also brought this woven bag on our honeymoon cruise, and I got so many compliments on it. It's just so easy to throw everything in and go for the day. Finishing off the look with my sun hat here, super cute little raffia bucket hat, and the sneakers that are from Dr. Scholl's. You also can't go wrong with the seamless tank tops from Abercrombie. This tank top from Abercrombie is something I've held on to for years now. I love how it's seamless, double lined, super comfortable and stretchy. Here I'm wearing this tank in a size medium, accessorizing it with a fun statement necklace from Target. I'm also wearing these incredible new striped pants. These are new in my wardrobe from Quince. Once again, just amazing basics to pack for your European vacation. I've got these on in a size medium. They have tons of stretch. Love how you can adjust them here at the top. And I also will be planning on wearing this outfit on our upcoming cruise vacation just because it's so easy. I mean, I think the stripes and like the linen just really elevates this look. Accessorizing it with my raffia tote, sneakers. This is also another beautiful Quince dress that if I had with me in November, definitely would have also made my packing list. But now I have it for this spring summer season. This is a beautiful 100% European linen midi dress that reminds me of the Abercrombie ones, but for under $100. I love the style here up at the top. Great square neck style with a thick strap at the top. This also does have a zipper closure on the side. Fits me beautifully in my usual size medium with pockets, and I have the same print in that tank that I shared earlier. So these are great pieces, especially if you're heading to Greece for the summer. Accessorizing it with my raffia shoulder bag and these amazing comfy slides from Target. If I had a little bit more room in my suitcase, I definitely would have packed this gauzy midi dress. This is something that I actually find myself throwing on before I'm out the door running errands. It's so easy, especially in Florida. I want something that's light and breathable, so I highly recommend checking out this piece from Quince. Love the smocking across the chest here, so comfortable. I do wear this dress in my usual size medium. I'm accessorizing it with this fun raffia tote bag that would be really cute if you're going on like a boat day.